Welcome to Haynes Motor Museum and the new exhibition which tells the story of British motorcycling. I've been given special permission to look at one of the most important bikes in the collection. When we use the phrase superbike, we tend to think of bikes like this, Triumph Daytona, because it looks and goes like a racer. If we ask what was the first superbike, the answer tends to be the Honda CB750 from 1969. But what if I told you that arguably the first superbike was made over 80 years ago in Britain? Say hello to the Brough Superior SS80 and its charming sidecar. If you were into speed and power in the 1920s and 30s and you had deep pockets, this was the bike for you. George Brough didn't manufacture bikes. Instead, he gathered together the finest components he could find and assembled them carefully by hand. The result was a bike that would do 80 miles an hour. Imagine what it would be like to ride this bike at that speed, or better still, to be a passenger in the sidecar, without a crash helmet, of course. If 80 miles an hour wasn't fast enough for you, then Brough would sell you the SS100, capable of 100 miles an hour. This kind of speed and power attracted celebrities of the day, such as T.E. Lawrence, better known as Lawrence of Arabia, who owns several Brough Superior. What better accolade can we have for the quality of the bike that when Rolls-Royce visited Brough's factories to check out his claim that he was building the Rolls-Royce of motorcycles, they could find nothing to fault and allowed him to continue to use this phrase. So if you want to see the Brough Superior and more than 20 other motorcycles like it, come along to the exhibition. There's plenty to see for bike fans and lots to do for the whole of the family.